Hey everybody, Dave Novak, Prevention Pest Control, YouTube. We are like everybody else. We are coping with COVID right now and doing the best we can. I hope you guys are safe doing exactly what the government and the state of Ohio is telling you to do. Just wanted to do a quick video, let you guys know we are out and about. According to the Department of Homeland Security, we are essential, so we are definitely out and about. So if you need something, give us a call. A couple things, it's April 2nd, so next month is when mosquito season starts revving up. We do mosquito treatments. We do not plaster yards and telephone poles with signs, but we do it. So if you want us to give you an estimate on that, give us a call. April and May are also the time that most companies send out the renewal notices to most people, and that's where the sticker shock happens. So if you are getting your renewals and the price has gone skyrocket, give us a call and we'd be happy to give you an estimate. Some exciting news, we've got 2 trucks on the road this year. We've got Mike back here with us this year. A lot of you know Mike. Whenever we do a termite job or a bedbug job, Mike has been with us since day one, so he definitely knows what he's doing. But he will be out either your house or me. We'll all be out running around at some point this summer. So just wanted to touch base. It's been a while since we've done any YouTube stuff. Mike behind the camera. Hopefully we'll be doing more of these every couple of weeks with some interesting topics this year. And like I said, do the best you can, folks. This is going to go on, I got a feeling, through the end of May. So I know it's tough. We've only been, 2.5 weeks in, and we're all kind of losing our mind already. So hopefully this will pass quickly. If you need something, give us a call, and hopefully we'll talk to you soon. Take care.